I touch you?
Can you say happy Thanksgiving? Come on, it's time to get in the shower. Let's go. Oh, gosh.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
Bruh, I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
Dolly, get over here. Yes.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No.
Will you be my Valentine?
What?
You don't want to give me a high five?
You have to be nice, no biting, okay? No fight! No biting, Kirby!
Come on, let's get out. Come on. Let's get out.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
Come on, it's time to go in the kennel. Come on.